This is an extremely irritating gas, and exposure can cause chemical burns, breathing difficulties, and in high concentrations can even be fatal. Unfortunately, in this story, the tanker truck was parked in a populated area. It was actually parked behind a local hotel. And once the leak began, the gas filled the parking lot and nearby hotel hallways, creating an immediate health hazard. Dozens of hotel guests and residents began to suffer respiratory distress and other symptoms from the ammonia inhalation. In response, the local fire department, police, hazmat teams, and the Oklahoma National Guard were deployed to that location. And the firefighters, wearing gas masks, actually went door to door, waking up residents and urging them to immediately evacuate. Some had to shelter in place, and we'll talk about that here in a second. In response, approximately 500 to 600 people, including hotel guests and nursing home residents, were evacuated or ordered to, as said, shelter in place. The community response teams worked tirelessly overnight to contain the leak. On the health front, the local regional hospital treated about 36 patients with ammonia exposure symptoms. 11 were in critical condition, with some victims being transferred via helicopter to trauma centers in Oklahoma City. In addition, 5 responding police officers suffered chemical burns to their airways during the rescue efforts. Emergency advice that was given to those that were told to shelter in place was pretty straightforward. Stay there, don't try to get home if you're not at home. Stay indoors. Close your windows and doors, and if able, cover the doors and windows with duct tape and plastic sheeting. By doing this, you decrease the seeping of outside air to the inside. They were advised to turn off all furnaces, the air conditioners, the fans, the heaters, to minimize airflow that might bring contaminated air from the outside to the inside. If their clothing had been contaminated, they were advised to remove that clothing to decrease ongoing exposure. And they were told to stay inside until the all clear notice was given.